Paranormal X is proud to make the jump into comic books with our debut series, Weed, Inc. and Quantum Physics. A thrilling time travel adventure like none you've seen before. When tragedy strikes and Kyle gets involved in a fatal DUI crash, he is sent to prison to pay his due to society. With guilt and remorse weighing heavily on him, he feels he deserves to be in prison. But fate, it seems, has other plans. A mysterious visitor offers Kyle a chance to not only get out of prison, but actually go back in time to prevent the tragedy that got him there in the first place. Would you do it? Would you risk everything to go back in time to fix one mistake and save lives? Would you touch the otherworldly ink blot? Weed, Inc. and Quantum Physics is based on the acclaimed book series Time of Death by Josh Anderson and was written and developed by Mark Victor, the legendary writer behind Poltergeist. The comic book series features incredibly detailed artwork by Carlos Reno, colors by Danae Ribeiro, lettering by Davison Maines, and script and supervision by Felipe Caño. Join us in funding production of the first book in the series and find out what happens when you mess with time. Weed, Inc. and Quantum Physics #1 is available now exclusively on Kickstarter for a limited time only.
I'm Mark Victor, the OG writer and supervisor of Weed, Inc. and Quantum Physics. They say OG stands for Original Gangster, or in my case, Old Ghost, because I wrote the original Poltergeist. But having looked in the mirror this morning, I'm pretty sure it stands for Old and Gray. Regardless, we're bringing a lot of energy to this, and it's all about getting together a group of people who have a passion for supernatural stories and want to hear them. And the one thing I've learned, having worked with some of the best, whether it's Steven Spielberg or Brad Pitt, you're only as good as the group of talented people around you. It's a time travel story. It's exciting. It's got thrills. It's got dilemmas. And, of course, it has rules. If you violate the rules of time travel, bad things will happen. I am from the future, and I've got to be leaving shortly, or I'm going to be violating the rules of time travel. So sign up. We need you. Let's do it. See you later.
Hi, I'm Josh Anderson, the author of the original 6-book series, Time of Death. The idea for Time of Death came to me because of the dichotomy of the idea of prison and time travel. Prison is the most limiting place I could imagine. Very, very few options available to incarcerated individuals. While time travel, well, the options are infinite. So Kyle's story really came from that, the interplay between going from prison to this infinite world of time travel, and of course throwing as many complications as I could in his way.
Well, you guys heard from, the project's OG, Mark Victor. You also heard from the author of the original books, Josh. So who the hell is this guy, right? Well, I'm the Kickstarter guy. My name's Felipe Caño. If you take a look at my left-hand side, your right-hand side, you're gonna see a list of different pledge tiers. Each one of those include different rewards. Whatever you choose, that's what you get when we reach our initial goal. And what happens when we go past our initial funding goal? We go into stretch goals territory. That's the good stuff. That's where we really get to shine. Every single stretch goal we reach, and you can check those out down below in our stretch goal section. Every time we reach a stretch goal, that means you guys get something extra. That can be like a collectible card, extra rewards. It can be even an extra book. We never know. That's the beauty of Kickstarter. Thank you so much for checking out Weed Inc. I really hope you help us, make this a successful project as it can be. Please help us spread the word about Weed Inc. It's very important that you tell your family and your friends. Don't forget, the more pledges we get, the more backers we get, the more extras we all bring home with us. All right, so thank you very much for checking out Weed Inc.